Welcome back to part 2 Bonfire Night 2024. Guys, forget about the miserable snowflake haters. Cue the rockets. Who let the dogs out? Gosh, that was extremely wide. That has to be one of the best breaks I've had from those shot tubes. I just about caught those two going up, guys. The snowflakes are turning out for this one, guys. Next up, the final countdown. Less of the 80s jokes, guys. Okay. Let's see how this looks. That's not... We got some more sparkler action, guys. Woohoo! Throw some shapes, guys. Yes. Seriously, nobody has a sense of culture around here. They are miserable, anti-English snowflakes. Absolute government muppets. Where's my assistant?
Yeah, here.
Okay, can you shine the torch on the rocket, please? Very good. Your batteries are gone. Good job that I've got the torch on the phone. That totally disappeared, and I didn't see it until it actually broke. Guys, the smoke around here is absolutely horrendous. Okay, this is the 5-star 65 grams. And this will be a good one for my neighbour, actually. You know, that transformer who thinks he's a woman? All those pretty colours, guys. He would love this. crackles at the end. Did you like that one? That's... yeah, there was a bit of colour in there, but there's a lot of smoke around, so it's very difficult to see anything. But not bad. Okay, next up, the glittering gemstone. Here we go. Oh, that's going quite high. That must be crackling about 8 feet high. Now that's at least 15 feet high. That was nice. Look at that, it's still going, and we've set off the local snowflakes alarms. Ridiculous. But the smoke and the smog is so low and thick here today, you cannot see your hand, which I'm holding right now, in front of your face. Seriously, it's that bad. I think I may have to abort the mission on Guy Fawkes, seriously, because I had these to light up. I also had all of this down here. But the thing is, there's so much smog in the air, you can't actually see anything. So I think with that said, I think I'm going to leave this one here, knock this one on the head. But I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed and all the people that have watched my videos. I appreciate you very much. But at some point, I'm going to have to get back to my scientific experiments, product reviews, and just general experiments. So if you like that sort of thing, stay tuned to the channel. However, we always look at pyrotechnics here now and then on the channel when they are not in season. So if you are a bit of a pyromaniac like myself, stay tuned to the channel. And I'd just like to send a special thanks and shout out to all of the miserable snowflakes that didn't participate in this 5th of November this year. And for every Labour voting miserable snowflake around the UK, I'd just like to say thank you. Thank you.